hardly see it.
Especially if you don't look at it. And besides...
Oh, leaving the nest was totally worth it. Hey, what's going on up there? Oh, come on! Are we playing tag? Is that what this is? Okay, I guess I'm it then, right? Whoa.
Ankylosaur, meaning fused lizard, herbivore.
This thing is huge, which means I should probably steer clear of his butt.
Good for you, Patchy. You're learning.
Wait, no, I wasn't running away. I was racing him. And
I know you humans like to think you discover fire, but trust me, it's been around since the time of the dinosaurs.